Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SiteGround for WordPress hosting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SiteGround account. Navigate to the Websites tab in the top menu. Click on the Add Website button. Select New Domain if you are registering a new domain or existing domain if you already own a domain. Enter the domain name you wish to use and click Continue. Choose the free WordPress installation option from the list presented. Fill in the necessary details for your WordPress site, such as site name and admin email. Select a strong password for your WordPress admin account. Click on the Finish button to complete the setup. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the Websites tab again. Locate your newly created website and click on Site Tools. In the Site Tools menu, go to the Security section. Select SSL and choose Let's Encrypt to enable HTTPS for your website. Click Get to install the SSL certificate. Next, go to the WordPress section in Site Tools. Click on Install and Manage. Here, you can manage your WordPress installation and update plugins easily. Now, return to the Site Tools menu and head to the Domain Settings. Ensure that your domain is properly pointed to SiteGround's name servers. Next, navigate to the Performance section. Enable caching options such as dynamic caching for improved speed. In the Backup section, set up automatic backups to secure your content. Now you can exit Site Tools and visit your website's URL. Log in to your WordPress dashboard using the admin credentials you created. From here, you can start customizing your site. Install any themes or plugins you wish to use to enhance your website. Congratulations! Your SiteGround configuration for WordPress hosting is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.